premiere.
Okay, sorry. Here's the latest news. Christmas Day is coming, so we've decided to do a Minecraft Weekly at 9:30 p.m. Okay, this is the second video. That one was not long enough. It wasn't really fun, and blah blah blah. So also we talked about the fact that on Christmas Day we are going to. We're going to do a Christmassy themed one with the Christmas countdown, and it's just going to be Minecraft gameplay and so on. But
Guys,
what I didn't tell you.
Okay, wait, Jen. We're recording on our new laptop that I'm speaking about in a video, and so if you want to join our Minecraft Weekly, we live at.
Okay, fine. Don't tell them if they don't come.
If you join our Minecraft Weekly.
So unfortunately, we don't know. Unfortunately, I don't think people will be able to join us because that's just like. Okay, I'll tell them. Okay.
Wait, what did you say?
I just said the location.
What?
I whispered it into the microphone.
Yeah, we're gonna have to read.
I'm so sorry. I didn't do it that. Okay. I just whispered it. I whispered it into the speakers. Okay.
Jen, let's edit it off.
Okay. Let's edit it. Right. Okay, that's good. So this is a new laptop. We had to set everything up, so that took a bit of time. That's why I kind of recorded this late. So if you stop, okay, don't mind the phone that's on. Don't worry about it. Turn it off. Right. Anyway, okay. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna tell us the plan about Minecraft Weekly. I'm gonna do an introduction. I'm gonna introduce it, Psych. I can't introduce it now. Zach, why aren't you part of the video anymore? What are you doing now, Zach? Oh. This is going to be live once the video is finished. It's going to be processed. It's going to be finished, etc. Yep, I mean, it's going to go live. It's going to go live in a minute. It's off. Anyway, this video is going to be uploaded on the Piano channel. Off. Don't tell me I'll get taken off my tablet for that. Don't tell me that. For this.
Did you accidentally do it?
Accidentally.
Yeah, you like. Anyway,
yep.
So this section about the video is about my brand new Roblox game you can play. So you actually can play this one.
Yep,
it's called My Very First Game. I'm going to change the title to Zombie Apocalypse.
Yeah, that's Zombie one.
Zombie Apocalypse.
I'm so sorry. Let me introduce you to Zach.
How it works, you just got to run away from the zombies. Yeah, and kill them with the rocket.
And look, and if we see this, here's how a fidget spinner works. So when you rotate this,
nobody cares about this information.
Anyway.
There's one ending in this game, and it doesn't really give you like an achievement or anything for doing it. It's because I don't know how to code that. The thing is, you can get on a rocket ship and leave.
Just ask Google.
Yeah,
how to code
I will.
Always ask Google. Anyway. So on Christmas Day, what we're going to be doing? We're going to be literally discoing, dancing to Christmas music, and we're going to be eating our Christmas meal. Well, we're going to have Christmas crackers, and we're going to have mince pies, and we're going to have Christmas figgy pudding afterwards. We're like 6 p.m. etc. And then after that, we're probably going to do things as normal. Okay, why? Oh, we've got new headphones. Look at that. There's new headphones. Anyway, okay. So we also got the new link cable.
Guess what?
For the MetaQuest.
Guess what, Turner?
And also we got a new MetaQuest.
Well, not a new one, but a MetaQuest.
but we got that one in August. Sorry, late July.
Not even August.
Late July.
It was July.
Okay. So I've set everything up for the Minecraft Weekly. I've tried to research it. I've made a video. I've made a 1 minute video, a 66-second video, but it turns out it wasn't really fun enough. So I've decided to make this one. So
okay, video ending in.
Sorry, it's gonna.